Top tips about how to make money online that anyone can follow. So you are having a hard time making ends meet and you need to figure out how to fill that gap. You have come to the right place because the following video will help you find ways of making money online. So take the time to read over it and get the info you need. Watch out for online scams. While you'll find a lot of opportunities out there for making money online, some opportunities aren't that great. Make sure you read reviews and all the fine print before committing to anything. When planning how to make money working online, never put all your eggs in one basket. Keep as many options open as possible, to ensure that you will always have money coming in. Failure to plan like this can really cost you if your main site suddenly stops posting work or opportunities. Thoroughly review any online site before you give them any type of commitment or information. While there are numerous opportunities to make money from behind a monitor, unfortunately there are quite a few scammers out there. Know who owns a site, make sure the site is secure and see what others have to say about it first. Look into surveys. There are lots of paid surveys to be taken. Doing surveys is one way to earn a bit of extra cash or incentives online. Sometimes, their pay isn't that great. However, they can be done while you're watching TV if you like, and the money will add up. As you can see, it can be quite simple to make money online. So whether you lost your job or just need some extra spending money, you now know that you do not have to get a job and leave the comforts of your home in order to make the money you need. You will be filling your pockets in no time. Student loan.